Air Force SAAF Chief, Lieutenant General Wiseman Mbambo, was in Pakistan earlier this month, July, where, reports have it, revamping of the South African Airborne Services training regime was an agenda item. The South African three-star expressed his desire for support from the Pakistan Air Force PAF to develop a modern and comprehensive training framework, beginning at academy level. During his meeting with PAF Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Sidhu, Mbambo requested the participation of SAAF officers as observers in major PAF operational exercises to enhance e-learning and foster collaboration. According to Pakistan Armed Forces ISP or Inter-Services Public Relations, also on the agenda was increased technical collaboration between the two air forces, with aircraft maintenance a high priority, acknowledging the technical excellence and cost-effective maintenance capabilities offered by PAF's engineering infrastructure. He also conveyed the intent of the South African Air Force to undertake the inspection and maintenance of its C-130 fleet in Pakistan. The ISP or department said of Mbambo. Defense and aviation expert Dean Wingren noted that Pakistan operates a fleet of 5 elderly C-130 Hercules transports, similar to what the SAAF operates. The PAF also has 9 C-130 and 4 C-130H. India, on the other hand, operates 12 of the much more modern C-130J variant, so there is some commonality between South Africa and Pakistan, he stated. During the 2nd of July meeting, the South African Air Boss lauded the PAF's operational readiness, commending its multi-domain warfare capabilities and success in maintaining a credible deterrence posture. He acknowledged the high standards maintained by the PAF and expressed his admiration for its technical excellence. According to ISPR, in turn, Sidhu highlighted the strong bilateral relationship between Pakistan and South Africa, emphasizing shared values and aspiration underpinning the two nations' deep-rooted friendship. He reiterated the PAF commitment to strengthening SAAF aerial combat capabilities through tailored training and capacity-building initiatives. ISPR reported, Pakistan and South Africa hold regular military engagements. For example, in August 2020, Sidhu spent 6 days visiting his counterpart in South Africa, and in October, South African Special Forces were in Pakistan for a 2-week-long exercise with their Pakistani counterparts, with a focus on counterterrorism.